Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for August. I got this the same day as my Ipsy bag this month. So I did already film and post my Ipsy unboxing. If you want to check that out, I will link that down below. So now it is time for Boxycharm. If you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. So the theme this month is boxy glamping. So it has like a camping scene on the card. And the first product in the box is right here, and this is from Glam Glow, and this is a skincare product. This is the Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. This retails for $54. So my skin has been a hot mess lately, and I don't really know why. So I did not want to put anything new on my skin yet because I kind of want it to calm down before I add something new to it. So that's why I did not use this in today's video, but ooh, that is thicker than what I was expecting. Here is the inside. It's like a minty green. So it's a little bit thick, like you can see right there. It's like a creamy moisturizer. I think I'm gonna like this. It doesn't really have a scent, which I also enjoy. So I'm hoping my skin calms down so I can start using this, because I actually did need a moisturizer. So I'm really excited about this. I do love Glam Glow products, and that product right there pretty much makes up for the entire box. Actually, that's more than double the price of the box, so already that makes it worth it. The next product is the Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. I have not heard of this brand before, but I always love getting new brow products. This is a double-sided pencil, so it has the pencil end with the little tiny point, and then it has a spoolie on the other side. And actually, this is a pretty small spoolie, but it's a small and thick spoolie. This retails for $16, and I got the shade, oh, it's not on the pencil. Is that like a one-size-fit-all kind of thing? It's pretty pigmented, but here is the shade that I got. I think that should be good, but we'll see. So let's try that out. So I'm just gonna kind of add just a little bit just so I can see how it works. Okay, yeah, the color is actually good for me. I like that you can make really precise hairlines with this. I really like this. I really like the formula. It's pretty stiff, but it's not too stiff, which I like. So I'm just going to do the other brow, and then we will be right back. So there we are. The brows are done. I really do like this pencil. And I mean, I'm not too picky with my brow products, but I like the formula of this on the brows. It doesn't feel too stiff. Like, it's not hard or anything, but I think it's going to stay put. Like, I don't think it's gonna really move or kind of blend away. So we'll see. I will update you down below to see how it wears for the rest of the day. But so far, I do like that. That retails for $16. Next product is this box right here, and that is the Trestique Summer Glow and Go Mini Summer Essentials set. These are a set of petite mini crayons. It features the best-selling shades of the highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. So I already used a brow product, so obviously I won't be using that. So it has a different tip than the other one does. It has one of those like triangle point tips, if you could see that. And let's see that shade. Well, this is definitely a harder formula, and I've never used this before. So actually this one is a lot cooler than the Real Her one. One on this side is the Trestique one, and then the one over here is the Real Her one. So this one is definitely much cooler. It's a little bit darker too. So I will use that next time I do my brows and see how different it is. So then there is the blush stick right here. That's in the shade Moroccan Rose. It's not super pigmented. I have a feeling that when you build that up, that would be really pretty. See that shade? A nice rosy pink. And then the highlight stick in the shade Maldives Luminescent. Oh, this is a lot more pigmented, so that's super intense. That's a lot more intense than the blush. And then the shadow crayon. Think of Princess and the Frog, the Shadow Man. Anyway, is the copperish, bronzish shade at the bottom. That's a really pretty shade. So I'm going to put on some bronzer and then we can use the blush stick. I'm just going to use the Tarte's Pro Glow palette and then we will get into the blush. Okay, bronzer is on, so now I'm just going to kind of dab this on. I don't know how this is going to work out, but we can try. Okay, that's kind of picking up some product, but I think I want to use some sort of brush. So I have a stippling brush right here, so I'm just going to kind of go over that. This pencil is pretty tiny, so I don't even know if this brush is going to be able to get the product. Okay, so I am not a fan of sticks, first of all. I don't mind stick bronzers because then you can actually kind of like cut your cheekbones with it, but this, especially as a blush and it being so tiny, like I even just dabbed it on my cheeks and then blended in a little bit, but this color I don't think is dark enough for me right now. And I'm not very dark, so I don't know how this would look on even darker skin tones. That might not work. So that I am not a huge fan of. So then the highlight, I'm going to kind of just apply right to my cheeks and blend in with my finger. And this is a lot more pigmented than the blush, so I'm not going to need as much at all. That shade is nice. It might be a little bit too light for me right now. Just on my cheeks, like you can see a little bit of a cast, at least I can in my mirror right now. But I think it's really pretty and it's really easy, and that's why I like this. So this retails for $42. That's pretty steep for little mini sizes, so I don't know about that. And then the next thing in the box is this Morphe I Got This eye brush set. It's a 4-piece eye brush set, and this retails for $12, which is great. I really like Morphe brushes, so I was really excited to see this in my box. It comes with an oval shadow brush, a Pro Firm blending crease brush, the tapered mini blender brush, and then the angle liner brush. Here's the set right here. I think they are really nice brushes. They have a matte black handle, which I think is really pretty. So we are definitely going to use 3 of these. We'll see about the liner. I'm just using the Natasha Denona Safari palette because this is just all matte, so it's a good one for something like this. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade first. I'm just gonna throw on a base. I'm just gonna go in with the browns. This brush isn't too soft, but I think it is blending nicely. Then I'm going to take the smaller detail brush, the mini blender brush, and I'm just going in with the darker brown. And I'm going to just kind of add that to the edges and then blend a little bit into the crease. Okay, so I'm going to then just run that a little bit on my lower lash line. I don't want it to be too much, but just a little bit. Then I'm going to use the shadow crayon and just put that right directly onto my eye. that shade is really pretty. It is not shimmery, which I thought it was when I swatched it, but when you put it on your eyes, it doesn't take that shimmer. So that's kind of interesting. But I just wanted to do something quick just so I can use all of these products. And then I'm going to take the other side of the flat brush, and I'm going to take the highlight stick and use that on my inner corner. Then I'm going to throw on my trusty dusty Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and then we will be right back. Eyelashes are done. So the last product in the box is this right here from Clarins, and this is the Velvet Lip Perfector 03 in Velvet Red. So here is the packaging. I do like it how it comes in this little tube. It has a new matte finish. It is a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. And this retails for $26. Oh, whoa. Okay, I've never used this before. So it's a squeezy tube. So it has this little brush tip. So then, assuming you just squeeze it out, I'm kind of afraid. It looks like it's about to be bleeding. So you can see once you squeeze it, it starts to come out a little bit. So that is the shade. That is a really pretty red. And I actually like that it's a squeezy tube because you can kind of limit how much you squeeze out, whether you want a lot or not. I'm going to line my lips with the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. Then I'm just going to fill in using this and see how much I'm gonna squeeze out. This is really weird, but it's kind of cool. So it blends out as you put it on your lips, but it feels super soft. Like you put it on and it looks immediately dry, but you can feel it's like velvet on your lips. Yeah, I like this applicator because you can really determine how pigmented you want your lips. I'm not usually a big red fan. I don't wear red lipstick a lot at all. Maybe around the Christmas season and in the fall I do. But other than that, I don't, because I think it looks super dramatic on me. Like I can't pull it off as like an everyday thing, which some people can and I cannot. So those are all the products. This month was actually really good. I was super happy with this box. The only thing I wasn't a huge fan of are the sticks, because I don't really like stick products. I just don't think they work well for me. The brush set I think is very nice. I did not use the liner brush, but I rarely use liner brushes, so that's not surprising. But the other three brushes I think did a great job. They were really good at blending. The flat brush would be great for a cut crease or concealer or anything like that. I love Glam Glow. This feels really nice, so I'm definitely looking forward to using this on my face because I did need a new one. And then the brow product, so far so good, so we'll see how I like it in the future. So this box retails for $150. I still think the box is worth it because it's $25, and one of this is twice that, so definitely makes it worth it. That was it. This month was really good, really happy. So we will continue to subscribe to Boxycharm. So good job. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.